How to disable calls on Messenger iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Scroll down and go to Microphone as shown. Over here, you can view and manage all the apps that have access to the microphone. You can now turn off the switches beside all the apps that you want to remove microphone access from. For example, Messenger. After that, go back and tap on Camera. Over here, repeat the same to turn off the Messenger app switch to remove camera access as well. Following these steps, you can easily disable calls on Messenger iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.